Alright there, good morning guys. So welcome back to the channel. So the first rigging we're gonna do with our new kayak is to install what I think is the most important tool, is a fish finder. So right now we're gonna hook up the transducer in the bottom where they had it pre-plumbed already. It came with this brick that attaches to it. So what I did was attach my mounting plate right onto that brick. So have to pre-drill a hole and then just screw it on right there. All right, so let's go ahead and attach it now. Sure we get it in the designated hole right there. Make sure you tighten her up, but not too tight. So you don't want to ruin the presets screws on there. There you go. Okay, good. So now we just gotta run the cable first through the hole, through the porthole. Through there. And then we attach the here. Easy peasy right there. Just gotta put the screws on. Alright, so now we need to just install the nut. And use a counter. So now we just have to organize the cable. You're gonna put the majority of the cable hidden inside the latch, the front hatch, I mean. But we gotta run it through this, what do you call this? This channel, there's a channel right here where you could run the cable through. Kind of makes it neat and organized. So there's not much slack underneath. I'm going to pull it right in here. There. All right, see? Got that in there. Now the question is, do I want to make a porthole on the left side of the kayak to where the transducer cable would come out? Or do I want to leave it here and then just pull some out to connect to the transducer right here? That is the question. Because I could have it running through here. Just dig another hole here where the cable would come out. I don't know if I want to do that though. I don't want to make holes on my brand new kayak. So for now I'll just loop it back out, but tight or organize the majority of the cable right into the hatch right there. Alright, so we're just going to organize it. Run it inside the hatch, make it nice and neat. Do have some ties, cable ties right here. Organize that. Because that's where I'm going to put the sonar battery as well anyway. So the cables you want to run, organize it to its natural. There you go. Natural looping. There you go. Okay, that's just about how much I need. And then just run it through like so. Yeah, that looks nice right there. I think we'll stick with that one. That's how far the transducer might go. Right there. That's enough cable length right there. Yeah. Got some cable ties right here. Simple, organized. There you go. Oh man, that was weak. That cable tie is weak. One yank and it was snapped. Might have to get another one. Get another one. We'll put this temporarily so it doesn't unwind on me. We'll get another one. Alright, so that's how we're mounting our fish finder right here. And I did install another rod holder right here so that when I'm measuring, I can park the rod right here. The fish finder is going to be installed right here. Okay? It's kind of wobbly. I don't know why, but maybe it needs a little tightening up. as tight as it gets. It's just how it is. Now we're just going to run the cable right here on the side. Right there, so we can be close to hatch. Pretty tight. Oh, there you go. There you go. You close it right there. Kind of press on the latch a little bit. There it is. And it closes right there. Nice and tight. It's out of the way of pedaling, so it's pretty good right there. Alright, show you around. Check it out, see how neat that is. Oops, there she is. Pretty neat setup. And for the right side, I don't know what I'm going to put on there yet, but we'll see. For now, this is good right here. It's out of the way. Okay. Yes, this is our Lowrance 7 Elite TI2. It's going to be right there. It wobbles. Yeah. Beauty. Alright, so far this is the look. There's my crate, and you can see the from the back seat to the crate, we got plenty of room. So I'm thinking of putting another container in there in between, maybe another battery, backup battery, and go from there. There she is. So I haven't installed the trolling motor yet, but I got two options, one bow mounted and one stern mounted. Do have the XI3, and that is set up for a bow mount, so might do that.